So what we're going to be doing today is a group project using our percentage applications to do a shopping spree. So if you go into the Google Classroom, everybody's going to need to have this open. I posted a new assignment 17, group shopping spree. You should see this when you open it up. There's the shopping spree group project, and there's the shopping spree group worksheet. So first, open the group worksheet. Take a look at this. It's going to look something like this. You've got two sets, item, cost, percent off, and dollars spent. I'm going to show you an example in just a second, but you're also going to want this open. This is the shopping spree group project. So the way this works is as we go through, we're going to have a bunch of different stores, all with different items and things that you're going to buy them from. Let me get the actual PowerPoint version up so that we can present it. Just a second. I saw there were some questions too, so I'll go over these. All right. Share screen. Go. Let me check chat really quick. Oh. Charlotte, you don't have the worksheet one? Is anybody else missing part of it for some reason? Okay, Charlotte, I'll try to help you figure it out once we get going. But
I'm just watching, so.
Well, okay, you're going to need to get it open, Tristan, but that's fine. So the way this is going to work, the setup, you and your team will be given $500 to go on a shopping spree. It is not real dollars. I can't afford that. Each store sells different items, and you can use the money to buy whatever you want, but there are some rules. You must buy at least one item from each store. You must buy at least 7 items in total. And any of the money that you don't spend comes back to me at the end. So your goal is to spend as close to $500 as you can. Now, each store is going to have some different discounts. Each store has a bunch of different items. You can buy multiple of one item. So for instance, if you really want like a soccer ball and you want like 10 of them, you can buy 10 soccer balls. But you have to buy at least one item from each different store, and you have to buy at least 7 items in total. And that's 7 different items. So like 10 soccer balls does not count as 10 items. That counts as one item. Okay?
What if you get $100 exactly? We'll spend all $500 exactly.
That would be very impressive. I think it's possible, but I'm not actually 100% sure. The only real rule is don't go over your budget. The closer you get to $500, the better your score is going to be. So the shot or the actual like I guess grading system for this, you're going to get a 3 as long as you fill out the assignment correctly and you get at least 7 items and at least 1 from each store, and all of your calculations are correct. If you get within like, I'll probably do $20 of 500, that's how you get a 4. But we'll talk about that more tomorrow. This is going to be a 2-day thing. So this is kind of what your group sheet looks like. It's going to look a little bit different for all of you because you have it on a Google slide, so it's not quite as nice and pretty looking. But what you're going to do is, let's say I bought a soccer ball, because I know that's one of the items. And let's say I don't remember how much it actually costs when you're at the store thing, but let's say it costs $25 to start. But it was off, or it was at a store that had a 10% sale going on. So it was 10% off. I need to calculate the discount amount. So what is 10% of $25? Can anybody tell me? Yeah, it's going to be $2.50. So my discount amount would be $250 or $2.50. Sorry, not $250, which means the actual money that I spent is $22.50. And then, you know, if I bought something else here, like a football or something, they're not all sports equipment, by the way. There's a bunch of different things. And let's say that cost $30 and was also 10% off because it's the same store. So my discount was $3. And then I buy it for $27 or something like that, right? At the end, what you're going to do is you're going to add up your total, and you want that to be as close to 500 as you can get. So in this case, I have $49.50 would be my total because I only bought 2 items. But you're also going to want to do the total discount. So that was $5.50. This is what I saved. You don't need to do the total percentage discount. This one you can just X out because that doesn't really make any sense. We could do an average one, but I'm not going to make you do that. And then the initial cost will do that as well. So $55 would be the total there. Okay, so any questions about how you're going to be filling out the actual sheet?
Yes.
Okay, what are the questions?
Is there discounts on every single thing, or is there only discounts on some things?
So you'll be able to see when you get into the sheet. What I'm going to go to next is this is one of the stores. This is Clothes R Us. They have a sweater, t-shirt, dress, whatever. So all the prices are listed right here. Yeah, so everybody in your group is going to put the same thing down on their sheets. But hold on. So each store has a bunch of different things that you can buy. And at the top on your versions, each store is going to have a sale going on. So this is just the standard stores because I didn't want to put the sale numbers in here so that you all could see them ahead of time. So they're going to have some kind of discount. Here's all the things. Then when you go to the Nerd Cave, there's like Pokemon cards, action figures, Disney stuff, Harry Potter, Twilight. I don't know. This was all the nerdy stuff from back when I was in middle school. I don't know if it's still things for you guys, but whatever. And then we've got the athletic store that has football, soccer balls, stuff like that. And then a video game store. So you can buy a whole bunch of different things. You have a whole bunch of different options. You can try to buy it in a way that makes it so that you actually like all the items you're buying. You can buy it just with the goal of getting as close to 500 as possible, whatever you want to do more. Okay? So
Where does the
back to
discount
this.
come into play?
So the discount is going to be, like I said, at the top. Like, let's say the Nerd Cave, I have no idea what the actual sale is there. I mean, I do, but I'm not going to tell you. Let's say this has a 50% off on everything sale. Everything, woo. So you're going to be like, okay, well, everything is 50% off. Let's say I wanted to buy a Disney plushie because, you know, Dakota seems to really like Disney
That'd be
plushies.
$25.
It would be $25, exactly. So that would be $25 out of my 500 that's gone. So now I have $475 left, and then you keep going. Okay? So last chance. Any questions about this before we get started?
No.
Bo, you are a little bit, or you're in the wrong class. You should be in either science or social studies right now. Okay, Dakota, what is your question? Yes, you can buy more than one of each item. So like if I wanted to buy 3 pairs of jeans or 4 pairs of jeans for everybody in my team to get a pair of jeans, then I could do that. Or if I wanted to buy, I don't know, 5 pairs of dress shoes and then only have whatever the savings is left, that would be very smart. But... All right. Okay, so I'm gonna set you all into teams really quick. Let's see. I don't know what I want the teams to be. I haven't really thought about that part. I will be asking at the end if everybody was participating for teams. So please don't just sit there and be quiet. And Barb and I will be bouncing around to the different teams to try to help people out as well. Let's see. Oh, wait, what? Did that wrong. Who has TV going in the background?
I know who it is, but I will never tell.
Was it you?
No.
It was me and my sisters watching TV.
Okay.
Gracie, I
All
wasn't
right.
going to say anything.
All right. Teams have been made. If you get disconnected, please just join the call back and I will get you into your correct team. All right. Woo.